Morning YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is another one called Trash or Treasure, and I was in a charity shop and I was looking for another DAB radio for my son and I didn't have one, but I come across this small hi-fi unit and I wanted £6.50 for it, and I really wanted it for the bits. But anyway, I bought it and I was told it was working. It's been electrically safety tested at the charity shop. I wanted £6.50 for it. Apologies, that's my phone just bleeping. And they wanted £6.50 for it, which I thought was quite reasonable. And it plays CDs. It's got an FM, medium wave, long wave radio in it. It will also play music from a USB stick or an SD card, things like that. It has got a fault though, and the fault's not with this unit, but it's wants a good clean, to be honest. The problem was with the speakers, and the problem with the speakers is first of all, you can see they're quite dirty, the front. They want a good clean, but it was to do with the speaker wires, and the speaker wires that come through the back, goes on the inside. I don't know whether you can't see, there's a nick there in the cable, just there. And it was shorting out, the speaker was shorting out, so that it would keep losing the speakers. And this cable goes to the speaker inside, and it would go through the back, and that's the rest of the cable there. I've cut it off actually, and I don't know if you can see it, there's a little break there. So to get at this, because this is on the inside, to replace these wires, I've removed the front, which is just pressed in, which is pretty good, and then I've took the speaker out, and the speaker was glued in, and it has a dobber glue there, I think it was, that way you can see, it had a dobber glue there and a dobber glue this side, just to hold the speaker in, so I had to prise that out. And that's what I'm going to do. I've got to replace the speaker cables, these, and yet they had a double glue there to hold it in. The wire's poked through the back like that. And it's only 5-watt unit, but it's quite good. It's quite enjoyable to listen to. You know, it might go in the motorhome. I don't know, because it's quite small. And so that's the main problem. It was just these speaker wires broke where they glued and go through the wooden case. The speakers are pretty horrid, hardboard. There's no rubber feet on them. I need to stick some rubber feet. It's all salvageable, but for £6.50, I think it's quite a good buy. I couldn't buy a pair of these on eBay from China for £6.50 with the postage. So I think I got a good deal, but I shall go and get some cable today, I think it will be, and I'll replace the speaker wires, and then I should be able to show you it working, providing I don't infringe obviously the copyright of having music on YouTube. Okay, these are the speaker front cloth grills. I've re-glued it around the outside with Bostik or Yoo-hoo glue, and I've just washed them and they're drying on the radiator. And I've been to the do-it-yourself shop, which is down the road, and got some speaker cable. And this cable is got a white band on it, and the white band's normally positive. And I'm going to fit the speakers in. They're actually glued into the speakers boxes, and Yeah, which I don't like very much. Just waiting for my soldering iron here to get warm, and I'll tin them first and then I'll solder them on. I'll just lay the speakers in the cabinets and try them before I actually glue them in permanently. Tin the wires. One. Two. Now the white one's a positive. Which is that one. That's the negative. The speaker's moving. Okay, that's a speaker done. Make sure there's no bits of solder going to fall off. Get the positive wire on properly. Positive's a white wire again. That's it. Stand the soldering iron up so I don't burn my fingers. Turn the speaker on its back. The wire through. And drop it in. Like that. Okay, so this should be ready for testing. Well, this is it back together, the speakers apart from the grills. The grills I'll give it another wash because they've got still some stains on, so I washed it again. And it's working.
Give me that, plenty of that guitar. Hi, you're listening to the Talbot Owners Club.
Yeah, it is me.
Radio. Please stay tuned for your favourite songs and hits. Hi, you're listening
Yes,
to
it is me.
the Talbot Owners Club Smooth Radio. Please stay tuned for your favourite songs and hits. Hi.
Yep, that's me. Oh, turn it off because it